This is part 4 of the today's Saturday video blog. This is, we're going to see if the boat starts up easily or if it does not. We've got the water on the boat motor, and we're not gonna fuck with it very much. We're just gonna see if it starts up. So Jason just gave it a little prime, and we don't have much time, so we'll see if we get lucky with starting a couple cranks, and he knows how to do the choke and all that stuff. Oh wow! Wow, it's running.
Nice.
Water was coming out of the little keyhole.
That was amazing. First cold start probably in the history of this bayliner boat.
Especially for the season.
And the fact that we haven't started in about 8 months.
Yeah.
But I never even got a first time start like that when I was starting it every other week.
So in season.
In season. This is out of season. This is amazing.
Wow.
Ready to roll.
Jason is a happy, soon-to-be ex-boat owner.
Ex-boat owner, very happy. That's amazing. Gotta start it up again.
So yeah, we'll start up tomorrow, but now we're confident.
I'm confident, man.
Can sleep well tonight.
Look at baby.
Nice.
Signing off.